Welcome to AppScript. In this video, we are going to see how you can get email notification just by one click or one tick. So you can use it by using it into form directly that will send email notification, or you can use it directly. So for this, you have to type your email address, message. For example, we'll type subscribe, and here you have to tick it for this like action. Okay. So here you'll see status. So once it's sent, it shows sent. So this is how it works. You can replace this by using send option or anything else. So let me quickly tell you how you can make this thing. Okay, to make this, first you have to use this. You have to insert checkboxes here. Okay, so now we have made our sheet, and now you have to click on this extensions. Okay, so this was my previous script, which I'm going to delete this, and we will remake that script. So for this, you have to call a function. We call it send email. Okay. Then you have to define your sheet. For this, you type const sheet spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. Dot get sheet by name. So default sheet will be sheet one. We can change this name according to if you, if you have a different sheet name, you can type that sheet name too. And then you have to define a last row. So what last row do? Okay, first. Okay, so what last row? Okay, let me first type this. Okay, it will go through each row which contain data, and it will stop when the on the last row where data was available. And then you have to use the okay for like for let start from 2 so that it will skip address. Okay, so make this mistakes. Make sure that you won't make this mistake again. So now you have to define cells. Okay, so first will be const email sheet dot get range is raw. Get value. Okay, so now you have to copy paste this 4 times because we have 4 columns, right? Okay, 2, 3 column. Okay, so it's like a column 1, column 2, column 3. So second will be like message. Second column is message. Third one is action. Okay. We'll call it, okay, we call it action. We call it check boxes. Okay. Third, status. Okay. Now, okay, how the email will going to send is like you have to choose like if condition, if email and checkbox to then okay const subject. So what will be our subject? So subject will be, we call it like subject will be auto sheet. Okay, we call it from auto sheet. Or you can type auto sheet notification or anything you can call it. We call it from auto sheet. You can call it notification or anything you want to type. So now Gmail app dot send email email subject message status dot set value email sent, or you can type anything else if you want to type. The okay, so that's it. You don't need to do any extra step for this. Close parenthesis and save it. Okay, so here I made two mistakes. First is you have to use parenthesis here and you have to close parenthesis. And the second mistake is it should be email, not okay. Now it should work. So I'm going to save it and add triggers. Now add triggers, send emails, choose on edit and save it. So if you do it for first time, you have to do authentication, advanced, allow, okay. So now let's test it. So it should work now. So I made this right. So we're going to type our email address. So it's manage.mv at gmail.com. Thanks for watching will be our message. So you have to check this. Okay, so email is sent and you can see it here. We got this email. So thanks for watching. So this is how you can set up your email notification automatically from with AppScript. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, please feel free to contact me. So link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.